Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to make a Facebook page completely from scratch for your business. Now, a Facebook page for businesses, if they're set up correctly, could be very powerful, and they're also necessary to run Facebook ads. And I do have tutorials on all kinds of things you could do with Facebook for your business, including a full training on running Facebook ads. But right now, let's go ahead and jump in and create a Facebook page for our business. The easiest way to create a Facebook page for your business is by using facebook.com on a computer, and that will give you an option right here under the menu tab on any page on Facebook. So that will let you create a page for your business. Now you already have to have a personal Facebook page though. So if you haven't created a personal one, just create one at facebook.com. And once you have that, let's go ahead and press page here. And the process of creating a Facebook page for your business is pretty straightforward. So the page name, that's typically the name of your business. I'm making one for a YouTube channel I have, so I'll type that one here. The category here, you could just type out a few words here to find a category. And again, this is based on the type of business you have. So make sure you have choose something that's appropriate here. And then you can type out of the description. This YouTube page is showing people how to grow on YouTube. So I type out that I make weekly videos here to help people use YouTube for business, and fill out as much as you can on this section. And that's really all you have to fill out here before creating a page. But there's a plenty that we have to edit once we do this. So let's go ahead and press create. And once you do create, it's going to give you some more options here. So profile photo, this will be something like your logo or a picture like a headshot. Go ahead and select that. So this is mine here. I'm going to upload it. And this is what it's going to look like once it's added here. So this is your profile picture, and I use Canva to create this and the banner. So I'll put a link below to that, so you could go ahead and use that for free. And then I would add a cover photo here, and I could actually track and reposition this to make sure it fits. So I'll just put it right over here. So again, this is something I designed, but I do have other tutorials on this video as well about creating banners like this. I'm going to go ahead and press save. But I do recommend you create a username. It just makes it a little bit easier later to share it. But you did get your own Facebook URL up here to send people to this page as well. And you could add a button here depending on what kind of business you're running. So you could have book now or call now or contact us, even a send a message with the messenger, which is super useful here. All these different options are available, so if you wanted people to watch videos, you could go ahead and do that, and then send people to a specific website like my YouTube channel in this case. And here on the left side, I'll show you some settings that you may want to change before I complete this video. Let's go over here, and there's a bunch of different options available, right? So my page is published and it's live now, but I could decide can visitor post on this page. So I could go ahead and change that, and I typically like to disable posts by other people. I don't want other people. This is a business page, so we don't want random people to post on here. And another useful option is this profanity filter. You could go ahead and turn this on over here, so any profanity wouldn't just show up on your page as well. And the other ones you could kind of read based on your need and based on what you're using this for and the type of business you run. But those two I definitely wanted to point out for you to change. The next thing I recommend you is just change the top menu over here, because it might not be relevant. But if you have services and you sell things, maybe it's relevant. But if you click more, you can edit these tabs over here. So you could go ahead and turn this thing off. So if you wanted to take down services, you could just go ahead and deactivate here. And if you want to turn that off, go ahead and deactivate it here. So lots of this could be changed by using these options over here. Now, some won't let you do that, but it's definitely a good choice here to change some of them. And Facebook is going to walk you through some other things. But you should set up as well, like introducing your page and inviting friends here to it, and providing more details like your locations, website hours, and phone number. And I will typically jump over here and create my first post right away. So there's something for people to see, but your banner does show up as a post as well. And you could always delete this if you want. If you don't want this to be shown, just press these three dots and delete that post. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and create a new post. So I will select this and I'm going to share a video. So I will go ahead and copy a video from YouTube now, and if you don't have videos though, you could, type out any type of text you want or just share an image here. Pretty much anything that you could do on the regular Facebook app you could do. There is photo and video, and then you could type a little caption over here as well. And once you're happy, you could go ahead and press post. And just like this, you have your first post on your new Facebook page for your business. Now, anytime you could click this pages icon here, and all your pages will be available. So you could click on any of them, jump in there, and make other adjustments to it. And if you notice this promote button, this is related to growing a page and using Facebook ads. But I do have a completely training on that, so I will link that one below. If you want to learn about how to use your Facebook or your new Facebook page, you could drive traffic using paid ads. And that's connected to Instagram ads as well, since they are owned by the same company. So I hope you found this video useful, so please give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time.